Alright. Icy and Shatton, thanks for the zero viewer host, guys. What's good, Zoomy? Man, of all the stupid places to lose a run, that's lame. That's super lame. Nice, dude. I'm getting super mean. It's 8 in the morning and I haven't gone to bed. Zoomy, go to bed! I'm going to meme the shit out of you, dude. I'm gonna cyberbully you if you don't go to bed. That was pretty slick. I gotta give myself credit where credit is due. Don't get me wrong, Zoomy, I like having you here, but you need to go to bed. Or you can just stay up all night and fix your sleep schedule once and for all. What the fuck? Hi, October. That's a very strange emote. But thank you for the good luck. That was a poor decision. Fucking hell, dude. Stupid boulders are memeing me. What the hell? Dude, I got like super good ammo that time. I could have killed him with just the freaking nitro launcher. That like never happens. Pokemon Runner? What's good, Even Heroes? I love that. Yo, I feel that. I feel that, Even Heroes. Don't we all love M&Ms? They're okay. What the hell? I did not get V2 shot cannon. Okay. This run is hilarious so far. Holy hot damn, that speed was ridiculous. That was some slick ass movement. That was really slick. Oh, hold on. Somebody asked me a question earlier. I forget what it was. Hold on. Ratchet Mania, I know you asked me a question earlier, and I think I just ignored it. Or somebody asked me a question about Hundo. Zem and Hundo, do you go to Aquados twice? No. In Hundo, I only go in the New Game Plus portion. So Zem, if I want to... Ratchet and Clank 2 Plus? What? Where did that logic come from? So Zem, if I want to learn a category, you should start with NG+. NG Plus is the superior category. It's just like, it's just better in every way. There's no two ways about it. You'll learn all the movement tech, like, really there's nothing that NG Plus can teach you that'll prepare you for any percent. But, you can learn any percent with NG Plus strats. So I would recommend NG Plus. It's more fun, it's more fair, it's just more entertaining. Alright, I'm gonna use the Nitro Launcher on these guys. Okay. I don't know what my school is going to do with finals because of today. Yeah, that's kind of an interesting situation. Because you can skip the plumber cutscene. No, I just go to Aquados for one time. Oh, in the 80% portion, I do like touch ground on Aquados just so I can get the sniper rifle, but that's it. Yo, it's all good, Safaris. I don't expect you to know all this. Yo, thank you, Maria. I appreciate it. Damn, dude. Sub 5 entry into Mission 3 is really good. This Marcadia is going very well so far. Damn, yeah, this is good. This is a good run so far. I know 80% for rack 1. Well, if you're not patient enough for that, I can guarantee you, you're gonna need to develop patience to play this game. This game is fun, but it's very, very taxing emotionally and physically. Like, after getting a good run, I don't know if there's anything more draining than choking a good run in this game. Well, I mean, like, granted, I just mean in my own experiences of, like, what is more exhausting, like, choking a good run or, like, you know, doing something else. the only thing more exhausting to me than choking a good run is performing an entire show. Like, performing an entire opera is the only thing that's more physically and emotionally draining to me than losing a good run in this game. Like, towards the very end, you know? You just feel completely and utterly exhausted. Oh shit. Alright, now I just get to chill for a little bit. A lot of people think that Rack 1 is better than Rack 3. I don't agree, but whatever. Their argument is that everything is more fluid. Like, you don't have to do, like, these missions or anything, or, you know, shit like that. And we're done. Rack 1 is more popular, but that doesn't make it better. Back in the 1950s in America, it was... Well, back in the 1800s in America and the 1700s, it was popular to own black people. But that doesn't necessarily make it the right thing to do. Not that that's even close to a fair comparison, but I'm just trying to draw the picture that saying something is more popular doesn't necessarily mean it's better. To be honest, in a casual play setting, like, the missions are fun, but oh my god, dude, in a speed setting, they're pretty frustrating. Yo, thanks, Ataz, I appreciate it, dude. Okay. Damn, dude, this is a good Marcadia. I still don't think this will be sub 10, but it'll be close. I think that was just barely sub 10. 1334, holy shit, dude. That's a pretty insane Marcadia time. If you put speedrunning aside, which rack is the most fun to actually play? I'd say 3. I mean, like, again, yeah. what Shatton is saying, like, you can't objectively gauge what is a better game, you know? I personally believe Rack 3 is the most fun casually. I also happen to think it's the most fun for a speed game. Okay, well, we're gonna have to get really... Actually, that might have turned out for the better. Alright, that's fine. That was actually fine, even though I got hit. Please. a good vid comic. 131? Yeah, that's really good. Is that gold? No way. Okay. But that was like close enough to a gold that it's alarming. Fudge. I'm gonna do man strats again. Keep in mind, guys, this is not anywhere close to a run until I get through Dax, and then we can start like saying whether or not this is a run. You know? Please leave me alone. Alright, cool. These guys are still following me. That was really good. Scrunchless or no balls? Well, call me a eunuch, because I got no balls. Please, for the love of God, go away. Round 10. Not bad. It's pretty good. Squonk has balls, he does scrunchless. He's also practiced it like 3 times more than I have. Like 3 times as much time as I put into it. 1910 Annihilation Nation is pretty nuts. I'm glad my early game is coming back. This is about how good all of my early games were when I ran this category. Cool. Dude, nice. His sound is always Kriegasm. Alright, that's one big, colossal load off my mind. Knowing that I got that. Now I just gotta go to Aquados. Yeah, the first person thing is pretty stupid, IMO. Yo, Ratchet, nice color change. Yo, I have a surprise for you guys. After this run ends, I have to show you guys something. I have a very big surprise for you guys. Holy shit, dude, this run is nice. This run is very nice so far. How's it looking against my summer bests? Plus 17, that's good. We're on 56 pace, boys. $420 time save, not bad. Not bad at all. Fucking hell. Alright, well at least it registered the warship death, so I can just do this now. That's good enough. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just glad I got past Dax. Zem say I want to far Q. Funny jokes, man. How does it feel being a top memer, Armin? No, I get it, Armin. Don't worry. I'm just not giving it to you. I'm not letting you have that joke. is shit? Dude, what? Google is like the best search engine known to man. Oh my good god. Alright, whatever. I'll just do that because it's faster. No! Why don't you give me the ammo? I don't want it. Why does the game do that? Alright, it gave me another ammo drop, so I'm okay with that, actually. Oh, that's not good. That was scary. For no real reason either. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we're good. Dicier than I wanted it to be, but still fine. Oh, shit. One, 2, 3. Okay. Don't need the hyper shot anymore. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Cool. Yahoo Master Race. Nice joke, Cheese. Okay. Scarier than I wanted it to be, but not as scary as it could have been. Yo, good shit, Nuka. You meme those kids. Okay, 7 is good. Good. I'm on speedrunning roids, obviously. Roids are bad, okay? Don't worry, guys. He does. That's the meme. That's the meme of the hour on my chat. Is to just de-lurk every single person in the chat at once. It's a pretty terrible meme, but you know you gotta roll with what you got. It's what the people want, and I gotta give it to them, you know? Okay. Gooch. It's a bad meme, but it works. Alright. Now the time saves start. Sub 30 Annihilation Nation 2 is very good. Yeah, this is a really good run so far. We'll make it work. Just gotta stay focused.
Muy bien, en esta escena te libras de los esbirros y sales del bar persiguiendo a Maximilian, que parezca real, ¿vale? ¡Acción!
I don't know if that's a meme as much as it is just a fact, Nuka. It's just like, that's not a joke. It's a warning. Yo, those monkey strats.
Vamos a ponerle un poco de emoción, ¿vale?
This is a really good monkey so far.
Ya no hay puente, piensa rápido, ¿cómo cruzaría la gente clan?
I was gonna play it safe there for a second, then I was like, why the fuck would I do that? I'm already not doing scrunchless. It's just already like the most pussy thing I could do.
¡Me encanta! Bien, llegó el
Alright, hopefully I don't get trolled in the butthole by Terra Talos again.
No vayas a fastidiarla, chico. ¡Acción! A eso me refiero.
3. Okay.
Bien, ahora los ninjas gigantes.
Ah, almost grounded him. Please just. Oh.
Dale golpes de kung fu, clan. Eso es, clan. Patean, eso es.
Yeah, it feels pretty good, Nuka. Not gonna lie. Damn, son. What the fuck? Yo, how come, like, half of my viewership just dipped? That's strange. Alright, let's make this work. It's all good, Nuka. No, I can't make that. Unfortunately. Alright, just gotta play this nice and safe. Not safe, smart. Gotta play this nice and smart. That's the better way of saying it. It's the scariest part of literally every single run. I'd rather do skippy skip 80 times than have to do that. But what can you do? Nuka absolutely prefers Rack 1, like no question. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Alright, I got 2 shots here. Cool. Really good. I'll lose some time, but or against my Summer best, but I'm okay with saving like 30 seconds or like 20. Good. Good so far. It is a tough call, Skits, I know. It's a very tough call. Alright. Hopefully I don't get memed by these guys. These guys don't hit me up with their creamy memes? Yeah, okay. That was expected. I'm gonna, instead of trying that again, it's really like a 50-50 as to whether or not they're gonna hit you when you do that. So I flipped the coin, it didn't come out my way. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it the safe way now. Dude, what the hell, Ricky? Is that what does that mean what I think it means? Oh boy, I hope it does. Holy shit, Ratchet. God fucking damn it, dude. I hate this. I really hate this vid comic. Alright, that's fine. I can still make bad cycle. Okay. Whatever you say, game. Okay, this is like a little tiny bit better than my PB, but not by a whole lot. Just like a lot of random flubs. Oh, that was clutch. Didn't really matter because still got slow cycle, but doesn't matter. Yeah, this is rough. This is not a great. This is about actually on par with my VidComic 2 and my PB. Yo, what's good, Scrit? God, why the... it's just like, it's so strange to me that Ratchet and Squonk just so actively hate each other now. Yuka, if you're still here, have you seen Gone Girl? Dude, goddammit. Damn it, dude. Fucking hell, dude, this is really bad. Not like time-wise, just health-wise. I have to be actually like careful now. 124 is a decent time. Yo, what's good, Dante? And undonated. Do you not like the straight punch there? Wait, what? In which spot? Oh, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, I don't know. I just didn't do it because I didn't think of it. I guess Nuka's not here, or else he would have responded. No! No! Oh god. This is bad. Okay. Why are you doing this to me? It's all good. I lost like 8 seconds, but no big deal. Oh, okay. What's good, Nuka? I was asking, if you've seen Gone Girl. Because I would recommend it to you for a different reason than I would recommend it to other people. You should really watch it. It's literally, like, it's both terrifying and, like, one of, like, the most ridiculous... Like, I don't know if I've been more turned on watching a movie in my entire life. Because the girl in the movie is just fucking batshit insane. Oh, please, for the love of God. Oh, this is bad. This is very bad. Wait, what? How have I only taken 2 damage? Okay, there we go. Yeah, this is a bad... These are bad vid... Bad vid comics, but it's okay. Yeah, this really bad vid comics. That's okay though. That shit just happens sometimes. Still a minute up. Let's do this. I still got a lot of time saves. I hit the majority of them, but I can still hit a couple more. I think. Koros is a really big one. Command Center is a really big one. So yeah, as long as these go decently. Like, if I could stand to lose like 30 seconds, but I'd really just rather play well and not lose any time. So hopefully that's what will happen. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god. Dude. Okay. It's fine. Stand right over here and wait until he throws that. Alright, I played that safe because it's, like I've said in my past run, that's the only thing he can throw at me that will kill me in one hit. This is not a great metropolis by any stretch of the imagination. But it's fine. Zem, if you and Hobbs were in a fight, who would have won? Nah, Hobbs, I think that's what I would do. Didn't lose time. Not bad. Crash site will be hard to keep up with, but we'll try our best here. Zumi is now hosting you for 426 viewers. Zumi, go to bed. Yo, guys, press 1 if you want Zumi to go to bed. Dude, nice meme. Oh, now I'm going to die. Like, there's no question. Fuck! I tried to time it. That was horseshit. I should have just taken the death. What the fuck?! Well, I said I was fine losing 30 seconds, and that's exactly what's going to happen, because this game is horseshit. That has never happened to me before. Hello? Okay. We're good. The Armin donated $69 with the message, "Make me mod." Nice. Alright, we're good here. We're good. We're gonna run this back. At least I've made a new mistake. Like, I can't be mad if it's a new mistake. Nice. Hello? I didn't mean it when I said I wanted to lose 30 seconds. I was fucking just being facetious. Like, what the fuck is going on? Alright, no time to tilt. No time to tilt. I just like I'm losing time to the stupidest shit. Oh, Zem, how could you make these mistakes? Fuck you, this category is hard. Get the fuck out of my way, you piece of shit. Okay. Whatever, man. So dumb. So dumb. If I lose the 58 because of that, I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be mad. That's okay, though. We're gonna be good. Down one. Off to Quark's hideout. In terms of doing a set. Yeah, it's true. I guess I just got complacent because I haven't screwed them up in, like, any of my runs in the recent past. So I got, like, a little bit overzealous. Who the fuck is on Discord? Knowing FS, probably FS. No! 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 Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Oh my god, dude. I'm just like throwing time away. Whatever, dude. I gotta stop right now. Breathe. I'm going to be okay. Alright, we're running this back right now. Down 2. 20-second time save incoming. Not even gonna look at the time. I'll just split whenever I'm finished. I love that I made I made Command Center a tombstone. That was pretty clever, Zem. Thanks, Zem. You've always got my back. That's because I am your back. That was way too close for comfort. Good. Talks to his back, what the fuck? Yo, thank you for the host, Squonk. I appreciate it. Oh, whoops. I gotta kill this guy in 3, but I can do that. Cool. Damn it, I did that. That was my fault. I'm not sure why I did that, but I did. Okay. Let's do this. Getting command centered right now. Okay, cool. Please, for the love of fucking God! This happens every fucking command center. Okay. I fucking hate command center, dude. This shit always happens, where it just does not behave the same way every time. Stop that. Stop it right now. Just stop. I just want to fucking PB. Can I please do that game? can I do that without you fucking trolling the shit out of me? I'm not gonna get sub 59. Fucking bullshit. Command Center is so fucking stupid. I cannot believe I'm not going to 58 this run. I cannot believe it. I had an amazing run up until the end and then just fell apart. That was my fault. It was my fault for not just having the stamina to run any percent yet. I'm just still new to any percent again. Okay, this should be a good distance. Yeah, that's the distance. Hopefully I don't die here. Okay, we're good. That's not good. That damage is not good. Okay. I think that got him. If not, I deserve to lose this PB. Yeah, that did. Cool. PB'd at least. Alright. Not the run I wanted, but it's a run I'll take. Or what if I just like reset the console? Just said fuck you. Not bad. That's so sad. That's a sad run right there.